I want to do something. I want to show you doing something. Introduce what? What are we doing to those? Huh? Okay. So we're doing a custom finish on these Porsche wheels. We're changing this polished lip to a custom red lip. And we're leaving it black in the center?
Center black with red line all around.
Okay, perfect. Is it a car that we have here, or is this a commercial account? Okay, so it was picked up. When does it due?
Saturday.
Oh, Saturday. Okay, nice. Alright, well, we'll be showing the process of these beautiful Porsche wheels. So tell me a little bit more, Felipe. What are you going to be doing? Are you going to be stripping down the whole wheel?
Stripping down the entire wheel. Trying the red, tape it, and then do the black one and clear coat it.
Get the production line moving. They got Felipe straightening some wheels. He is extra focused. The man of all trades. Anything that has to do with wheels, he can make it happen. From straightening to stripping, to strip teasing, to strip dancing.
That is my favorite part.
That's your favorite part. The color matching. The pressure's on you, Felipe. Take your time. Here we go. So we are heating the wheel to a certain degree, just to make it malleable and prevent it from cracking and getting structurally damaged. Final check. We're going to use the dial indicator. It's a raise. So by properly heating the wheel, we can ensure that it's not going to crack. We're not going to structurally damage the molecules within the wheel. So the integrity of the wheel is going to remain, because as soon as it cools down, the molecular structures, they reform. Here we go, we are working on the Porsche wheels. That's the wheels that are getting the custom red line. Quick update on the Porsche wheels. We are doing the custom red lip right on the edge. They're getting mask tape so we can guarantee perfect lining right around the edge. So check this out. So with these wheels, they were brand new. We decided not to strip them down.
Stripping down the entire wheel. Stripping down the entire wheel.
Just simply scuff them, do the red, and re-clear them. And this is what happened to the paint. See guys, chemical reaction, we have no clue what was previously used on these wheels, what kind of clear coat or paint they used. So for that reason, it's always a better idea to strip it down to the bare metal, regardless of the condition of the wheel, and starting over. Look, it all bubbles back up. And that is due because of two things. Either there's dirt on the wheel and grease that was not washed off properly, or it could be the material that the manufacturer has used is not heat resistant or does not compound properly with the products that we use. Here we go, getting the painting material ready. The red. Here's the paint code. We got the Porsche red that we're going to be painting. We're going to be using the Porsche red on these wheels. Here we go. Let's get this process started. All the wheels are lined up. Getting ready to go into the paint booth. One by one. As you can see, the painting process is quite easy. What's really important is the prepping process, making sure the lining and the mask taping are 100% perfect. So once we paint, remove the tape, we're gonna have perfect lining. So next, we're gonna remove the tape after the paint dries, and then we're gonna get these clear coated with a powder coat, clear coat, to fully protect it. And at that point, once you actually touch the red line compared to the rest of the wheel, you're not gonna feel an edge, because with the clear coat, we're gonna embed everything in together. It's gonna be sandwiched as one finish. Here it is. Check out the final look on these beautiful Porsche wheels. Look how smooth they look. So we ended up stripping the whole entire wheel, powder coating it glossy black, and we added that red line around the lip. So this line right here, if you feel it, you're not gonna feel a step, because we re-cleared the whole entire wheel, giving it that smooth effect. That way we don't have to worry about the red line chipping off. But here it is. Everything's being glossy clear coated, even the inside barrel. That way making it extremely easy to clean. Soap and water. That is all that you need. Pressure's on you, Felipe. Take your time.